突然のキスや熱い眼差しで恋のプログラムを狂わせないでね。出会いと別れ上手に打ち込んで時間が来れば。
Hello, I just arrived in Osaka and I finally got into the Airbnb, so I thought I would take a little room tour before I completely destroy the room by putting my stuff out everywhere. It's actually really cute. So you've got the walkway, you walk in here and you take off your shoes at the genkan, and then to your right is the toilet, which is very nice and clean. See it? And then what's here? I think it's storage. Oh, no, it's the bathroom. Oh my god, it's the bathroom. It's so nice and clean. And whoa, the bathroom's so oh my god, the bathroom, it's so nice. It's actually quite spacious as well. Yeah. We've got the main room, which we've got the kitchen with like the stove and everything here. It's really cute. Here's like a little overview. It's like reasonably spacious, I would say. We've got 2 beds for me and Jackie. How do I open this door? There is a massive Don Quixote over there, right next to us. Guys, Jackie. Oh shit, I had a clock. I did not have it.
1 hour later. Have some slippers. Oh god, doitashimashite.
Hey team.
Hey team. Convenient food store.
Convenience store haul. We're too hungry.
Okay, we'll go one by one. Okay. Got some curry bread from Daily. I was like, because I'm a bit stupid, and I went into 7-Eleven with the goal of getting curry bread, and I forgot the second I got to the register.
Unbelievable. And I got some yakisoba bread. I've always wanted to try this. I'm so excited.
Ebi to broccoli no taru salad. It does look good. I'm so healthy.
We'll do savories. Okay.
Oh, I'm just.
I got this crab salad macaroni thing that looks delicious as well.
I have cabbage.
Yummy. Good to the healthy. Oh my gosh.
I also have my umeboshi. That's my snack.
Oh my god, yummy.
I love umeboshi.
They had croquette sandwich because I like the croquette thing from Pan, so I was like, I have to get it.
I got a ebi. It says puri puri ebi katsando.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
It does look delicious.
We got the original egg sando. Yummy, yummy.
And I've got chocolate that's cheesecake flavor, and I fucking like cheesecake.
So
yeah,
good.
it's good.
And I got 2 onigiri. We got a umeboshi one and a tuna mayo.
Oh, and last thing I got, oh my god, it's stuck. It's stuck. I put it.
Oh no.
It got a bit shaken. There was a bit of turbulence in my bag. I'm gonna put that in the fridge.
What's that? What's this? I need to take a photo.
I wonder where the tape. Okay.
Oh my god.
Is that an egg sandwich?
I got the hype. It's fucking bussin'.
Is there hype around it?
Yeah, it's so hype.
Oh wait, is that the oh yeah, you got a korokke and the next one. Itadakimasu. I've seen one this big. There's literally so many. Which one do you want to take it in?
Oh my god, that's like a close-up plate.
Hi! You should take off your coat.
Closer.
No, it's already so picture. There's the
Alana, I actually remember what.
Really? No, I feel like my light's doing it. Can you see? Do you know what I'm talking about? Oh my god, my friend is so... Hey guys, we're going up to Umeda Sky Building. We're going up...
Oh my god, I thought it was a video where there's this wall.
Oh, it is a wall. Guys, it's an escalator. It's so pretty.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. That's so many... That's actually so smart. Is it panel? It's a panel, yeah.
It looks like I got teeth whitening done.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Guys, we've been taking photos and it's so pretty, right? It's so, but it's literally like it's 2 degrees and like because we're up high, like the wind and it's so bad and it's like colder. Like my hand is literally freezing, like holding my phone. Like I can't move my fingers. It's getting really bad. I'm so scared I'm gonna drop my
off the building, bro.
But I'm literally so scared I'm gonna do it. Like stay away from the edge. Guys, we wanted to sit here where you have this beautiful view. Wow.
Exquisite.
Oh my god. Do you like, I got a matcha sundae even though I was literally just freezing my fucking ass off, so unknown, but what'd you get?
I wasn't boring, I just got green tea.
Is it like matcha?
No, it's just green tea. Can I try some?
No.
Oh my god. It's good. I feel like trying this is gonna make me regret not getting in the float.
You will regret it. That's so good. It's really good, isn't it?
That is quite a tragedy.
You guys missed the look of devastation on Jackie's face as she realized how good the matcha ice cream was.
I need more adventure, so I'm here. Why am I drinking green tea, bro?
You have to take all my recommendations, no hesitation.
Excuse me. And we got some coffee milk. Let's...
You look like such a you look like an actual mukbanger from
Let's give it a try. I'll post it on my Instagram. This might be multiple parts. Oh, it's just shaking it.
Why is the cat frozen like that? What is he doing? Hello, I just finished getting my nails done. So now I'm going to head to Nipponbashi to meet up with Jackie because we have a reservation to eat at the Bungo Stray Dogs themed cafe. My table has Mr. Kanikida. My parfait, it has po and then daisuke. It looks so yummy. I'm gonna eat po.
You should have bit his head off.
Po tastes like cardboard. Pardon? Oh, we also get to draw and oh, it actually looks cute when you coloured it in. I like it. Why are they both angry? Hello, okay, we just finished the Bungo Cafe and now we're going to go get some street food in Namba because all I had was like my cardboard puff.
I had like 2 drinks.
Yeah, I've only had that and cheesecake today. We have our dinner. I got a seafood bowl with salmon, grilled salmon and negitoro. Jackie got the, it was like the lots of things one with a bunch of different things. Okay, we have come for dessert immediately after eating our dinner. We got this, it was like the seasonal parfait and it has ichigo. I'm so excited. And Jackie got me that got and it smells so good. There's ice cream.
Oh no, that's totally up to you.
Yeah, I can't remember where the really yummy one was. We saw the strawberry milk, so we decided to get these. Jackie got I got ichigo ame. Okay.
Wait.
Oh.
Is it that hard?
Yeah, wait. I can't eye it. We got meal number 1. It's dancing.
Absolutely.
Takoyaki taste test. Jackie's first time trying okonomiyaki.
Yummy.
You're too tall.
Oh, you gotta make it higher.
No, because you can't get the. I want like the food in it as well. Maybe I need a back. We got a plate of what Jackie did. It's dancing.
It is. Oh,
Look
I
at
thought
my-
my vlog is supposed to be.
Guys, look at my hippo.
How's
Is it good? It's like similar to takoyaki, isn't it? I tried that with like Mexican food as well.
Ready? Go!
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Okay, go. Oh,
3, 2, 1.
oh, wait, I got Sukuna. Wait. Oh, I thought I got Gojo for
I got
the
Megami.
Guys, I think I got Sukuna.
Why does it look like knockoff Megami? You're not even in front.
Oh.
It's Begumi.
It's Begumi, guys. Yeah, why does it look like Bukuna, bro? I got Bukuna and she got Begumi.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, when I went hello. Oh, look, it's so bad. It gets so bad when it
1 hour later.
Hi, don't mind my pimples. Anyways, I went shopping and I bought some contacts because I want to see what I look like. That's my slipper. I want to see what I look like with darker eyes because I've got very light colored eyes. So I got like in the shade baby brown. Here's the before.
Wow, so pretty.
Wow. You guys. Oh my god, it made such a difference. Are you ready? Oh my god, it's a bit watery because oh, it looks so scary. Oh my god, wait, I'm gonna get Jackie's reaction. Jackie, are you ready to look at my eyes?
Yeah, wait, 1 second.
Okay. Are you ready?
Uh-huh. It's on this one, right?
Yeah, look.
It looks so much bigger.
I look so scary, don't I?
Oh, wait. Yeah, you look like you got